Hey, what's going on? Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing before I tell my story. All right, so the first box, as promised. Hold on, let me see if I can put this music down just a tad. I am learning this thing, so I appreciate y'all just a little bit. All right, okay, it's good. All right, so my producer says it's good. Everything is good. I'm over here trying to do everything, and my producer is over there, and I'm unboxing it. So I got this box here, so I'm unboxing it. Yes. Okay, I am. I'm going to be careful with this box cutter I got going on. Do me a favor, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It will mean so much to me. And also make sure you guys are liking this video and sharing it out with your friends. I know I sent a text to some people and try to put it on Instagram as well. Dang, this is a hard box. I'm like really struggling. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, this thing is packaged tight. That's how I know it's going to be a good book. Oh my gosh. Oh, I probably should have pre-opened it. But I'm like, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm really trying here. Somebody give me some hearts or some thumbs ups to give me some encouragement. Somebody give me some encouragement because I'm going to get this book out of here. I am. I'm working really hard. I got tips to share. I don't want to lose your attention, but oh my God, Jesus, Lord, help me with this. This is like Amazon could have just put it in a paper manila envelope. I don't know why they decided to put it in this hard packaging. It's like they did not want nobody to steal this book. That's how I know it's going to be a great book. All right. Oh, I finally got it open and I can't wait to share it with you guys. All right. So the first book that I have here is from Diana Lowe, which is Burning Bushes. All right, Diana. Now, I definitely take donations. The way you guys can support the channel is by donating to Buy Me a Coffee. It's buymeacoffee.com/dleeinspires. However, from those donations from people who are in Clubhouse, you guys are watching me right now, you guys were able to help me support another self-published author, Burning Bushes. Now, this is a devotional. And from the tips that I received from Brian, who was here on the broadcast, as you guys know, I just literally opened this, so I didn't get a chance to actually go through it. However, it's a burning bushes in your background. And so my background is a Christian background. So I do understand about the burning bush with Moses. And what I love about this, because I'm a notebook fanatic. If I showed you guys how many times I write everything down on envelopes and pieces of paper and note cards and sticky notes, this helps me to really digest the content. So you have different things like this where you can actually digest the content. So it's not just a regular daily bread devotional, but there's like 1 or 2 or 3 pages because some of us write small, some of us write big. And also, oh, wow, before I let go, take off your shoes. And so, understanding. I can't wait to get into this book just off the titles. Manage your connections. Wow. This is definitely going to help with everything. Access denied, on time, procrastination, the root of the matter. Guys, Burning Bushes, daily devotional. I'm going to put this inside of the comments. Make sure you guys are purchasing. You guys can definitely go to my Instagram. You can see where you can purchase the book on Amazon. That's the first book. Let's get into some more stuff before I get into my story and my tips that I want to share with you guys. So I got this other package. As you guys can see, finally, it's not a box. It's a package. It's not a box. So hopefully this is easier to open than the last book. Let's see here. I'm excited. I'm so super pumped up. Thank you guys for giving me the hearts. Let me look. Yes, I have that one too. Oh my gosh, Nicole, you have this book too. You are amazing. That's awesome. I can't wait. I wish every author was here. Oh my gosh, Nicole, guess what book came first? I got all these books. Hold on. Nicole, she's on here right now. Nicole, please let us know inside the comments where to get your book. Leroy, thank you so much for joining. Mona, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you too as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Absolutely. Okay. So Nicole Thomas, this is her book. And now this book is one of three. And I did purchase the 3-book series of this book. It is a Christian novel type of thing. It's kind of like the Game of Thrones, but the Christian version of it. And I can't wait to dive into the book. So I just bought the first one as a paperback, but I bought all 3 as a Kindle. All right, so I can't wait. I love the fact I see Nicole and I can recognize her on all her platforms because she has the same photo. If you're a self-published author, you definitely want to make sure that people can recognize your brand. When they see you, they know you too as well. This is Tales of in El Daniel. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, and so let me see. Hopefully, I think this is the first one, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, chapter 1 all the way to chapter 22. We're supposed to die together, my love, but here I lay among the winter leaves and skeletal branches alone, but not quite. I can still sense the heartbeat within me. The child lives, but not for long. Oh my gosh, this is insane. I can't wait to just sit down with a glass of wine. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, okay? With a glass of red wine and sit down and read this book. I think it does something different from purchasing it from Kindle because I kind of dived into it a little bit on my Kindle than having it in my actual hands, because now I can highlight, I can fold the chapters and different things like that and not forget about the book too as well. So Nicole, I can't wait to read this book. It's so full of different things here. I'm excited. I'm sitting here looking at it. I am so happy that I got it this week. But because of your donations, I was able to purchase it Sunday and I got it this week. And I just want to let everybody know, make sure you guys are going to Amazon to purchase this book. Nicole, let us know where we can buy it. Put the link inside of the comments to purchase the series of a Christian author, which is really amazing. So I can't wait. So let's get to the next book from Ade. Millennial Philosophy, Thoughts Expanded. Okay. This I was really excited to buy. And the reason why is because I am a millennial, right? And so I wanted to know, what are the thoughts expanded inside of this book here? Oh, you guys can see it's like a little glare because of my lighting. Let me put it like this. All right. All right. I think you guys can see it, right? Okay. Look, I love the way Nicole is like literally helping me pronounce the title of the book, Lahanai. Thank you so much, Nicole, for that. All right, so with this, it's type A personalities, type B personalities, alpha and beta personalities too as well. I can't wait to get into this. Mostly it's poems, to be honest with you. I'm looking at it right now. With the philosophy, it is definitely poems inside of the book, but I'm assuming that it's from a millennial like myself too as well. This is not an instructional material book, so you could definitely dive into that. All right. The next one is a piece of me, a black man's journey to love and commitment. The reason why I want to know about this, because I am a single woman and I want to know from a male's perspective, what do they think about commitment and also their journey to love? If you are a millennial like myself, we kind of want to know, when is a man committed? What is their journey to love? And different things like that. And so I'm excited to read this book as well, because it does bring me a different perspective. All right. The next book that I received is Just Me and God. This is another journal, another notebook, which I absolutely love. But please be sure to make sure you guys are subscribing to this channel. Make sure you click the notification bell on every time I upload another video, and also share this on your social media pages too as well, and let everybody know that I am live. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. I see you. Thank you guys for watching too as well. I appreciate you guys too as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So this book is from Lakrish. She is also a one of my friends on Clubhouse as well. And this is Just God and Me. Oh, I hope you guys can see it. So the photos don't do it justice. Let me see here. Oh, let me see if I can bring it so you guys can see it clearly because of my lighting here. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Just God and Me. This is the devotional here. Okay. And so with that, oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is a different devotional. Okay. I don't know if I should show you guys. Okay, so let me show you. So it's not just lines of what you can definitely use, right? She has goals inside inside of the devotional here. So it's goals. Also, you have photos and different things, people to pray for, different goals based upon the daily devotional as well. Here, oh, do you guys see the goals? No, you don't. Let me see if I can. If you guys can kind of get like a sneak peek of it. Okay, here we go. So you guys can see that there are goals inside of the book as well. So it's not your average devotional here. Hey, Kishma, thank you for joining. It's so good to see you, Kishma. You've been hanging out with me all day. Thank you so much for coming on to my YouTube live stream. And so I really love this book as well. It also has it's not just scriptures, but there's also questions, like prompt questions and different things like that. So it's a different type of devotional journal. So it's not what you will usually expect. Like you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want another devotional. But if you're a note taker like me, then you definitely want to get this one. I think I'm definitely going to write inside of this book as well. I appreciate that it's different. It's not expected because I just thought it was just going to be something similar. But there's actually templates and different things like that, and different goals and stuff like that, as scriptures and questions to really help you along the way. Lita, oh my gosh, Lita, it's so good to see you, girl. Thank you for joining me. Oh my gosh, I love you guys so much. Thank you for giving me some time of your weekend. I appreciate it. And thank you guys all for donating so that I can help other authors too as well. These videos of me unboxing their books is not the end of it. I am literally going to read these books and leave Amazon book reviews. I encourage you guys to purchase copies of their book too as well, and make sure that you guys leave book reviews as well too as well. Also, all right, book reviews are definitely. I am Desiree Lee, and here on this channel, I provide advice for aspiring authors and also self-published authors to help you expand your reach. Make sure you guys subscribe and click that notification button. Give this video a thumbs up if anything is inspiring to you. The best way to lose